Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your friend Sandhikshandas. This video is all about to clean the lens area and measurement area of your Accu-Chek glucometer. If you don't clean dirty glucometer, then you can experience the U1 error. So this is very easy. Don't take it as a headache. So please watch this video till end. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe my channel. Also buy link of the all Accu-Chek products in the video description below and comment section. To clean your Accu-Chek glucometer, you will have to take a microfiber cloth which comes with a spectacle or any microfiber cloth or soft cotton cloth. In case you don't have the microfiber cloth, then you can just simply wipe it dryly. Even the company has recommended to use slightly moist cloth, but I will not recommend you to use any types of water or chemical or anything like that. You can use the cotton swab just like this. Any types of sanitizer wiper, 70% medical grade isopropyl alcohol based sanitizer. I am not recommending to use this kind of gel one. I am recommending to use this types of liquid one, and you will have to take that and you will have to just clean it like this way. And using of sanitizer, it is not just cleaning, it will also disinfect your meter at the same time. So this is the way you can clean the outside of your glucometer. But if you are experiencing the U1 error, then you will have to clean the lens. To perform the lens cleaning, first you will have to remove the cover. To remove the cover, you will have to hold it like this way, push it outside. Put your fingernails here and you will have to press it towards outside, and you will have to open it with your other hand or other fingers just like this way. You can see, but you will have to open it very carefully. Make sure you are not forcing any types of pressure or like that. Also you can use any type of swab stick, but in this case I am using sanitizer soaked microfiber cloth. Then after removing that, just clean it very carefully. There are small lots of locking mechanism. You don't break them. Clean it very properly, so it will also disinfect your meter. Then you can see there is a small lens, so you will have to clean the lens area with the microfiber cloth. Make sure you don't use any types of chemical or water, nothing. Just you can use the sanitizer wiper or any medical grade alcohol. Don't leave any scratch or something like that. That will damage your meter also. Starting from the edges and curves of the meter to the glass or lens, everything you will have to clean it properly. Just wipe it, take excess sanitizer or anything. If there is anything left, you will have to clean it. You can see very clean, and after that you will have to give few seconds to make it dry. So you can see under mechanism is also visible and glass is totally reflective. Small red light you can see and sensor which you can see. You will have to put the lid back again. So you will have to just put it like this way, then slide it back. There it was a click sound, and you can see it is just locked in its position. I have also made other videos regarding the Accu-Chek active glucometer, how to measure the blood glucose, how to claim the warranty, how to solve the U1 error, how to replace the battery. So you can watch those videos from the I button. Also I have put the all Accu-Chek products buy link in the video description and comment. However, I have to catch you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. I was Sandhikshandas signing off. Have a good time.